Hello, I'm Princess Zulu and today I'll be teaching you how to use the Dream Blender, or better known as the Beauty Blender. First things first, it's always nice to use these damp. And how you achieve this is that you just dip it in a bowl of water or run it under a tap, whatever you prefer. And then in a squeezing motion like this, you just take out the excess water and make sure that it's not too dry. The first step is you apply your concealer on your dark spots and then use the blender to blend that in. Not too much though, because the next step is going to be you applying the foundation. And mine comes in the shade Mochaccino, which is very nice and brown. It doesn't have a lot of like orange undertones. I like to apply this like so. You can see. And then I usually use primer to blend in my foundation because it works very well with a damp beauty blender. Just a few drops. That's a tad too much, but it's perfect. Just a few drops and then you just start blending in. Don't forget the creases of your nose and your neck, because we don't want to get a two-tone person out, do we? Highlight and contour your face as you bake, because why not do all three? I'm gonna apply my highlighter and my contour. I like to highlight in the shade Toffee, which is, it's nice and yellow, so it brightens up my face. And then Espresso for the contour. I'll just do it at the same time so you guys see. And before you blend in your contour, I like to then put on my powder because it just saves time. So we can bake while we blend in the contour. Then just take your beauty blender and dab that right in. In a dabbing motion, just blend in your highlights, turn it around, blend in your contour. We're almost done. Just take a clean brush and dust off the excess powder, and that's the look for you.